This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Eugene Velez. Less than bedroom greater than DRE number 018038814. This ranch-style home is in the foothills of Gilroy. Come home and relax in this comfortable floor plan with plenty of living area for the entire family. Features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a huge master suite. Can be converted back to a 4-bedroom if desired. 2 fireplaces, great backyard with intricate paver design, perfect for entertaining and enjoying the outdoors. Possible boat storage on the side yard. Only 20 minutes to downtown Morgan Hill and 40 minutes to the hustle and bustle of Silicon Valley. Enjoy the annual Garlic Festival and the close proximity to incredible golf courses and wineries. For more information, review the details below or contact Eugene Velez. Less than bedroom great.